Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on OPPO Find X2. Firstly, go into your settings, now scroll down and go into privacy, hide apps. Now select the app that you would like to hide, and now you will have to set up a privacy password, so tap on settings, and I would like to use a pattern type password. Right. Now you can set up a security question in case you forgot your password. Now tap on this icon, the right corner, to go further. Now you will have to set up an access code, so tap on settings once again. And the access code must begin and end with a hash, so something like this. I'll make something simpler. Of course, you can do anything you want. Now just tap on this icon if you're ready, tap on done. Now select the apps that you would like to hide. Let's say keep notes. Right, so if you go to hidden, you can see all the hidden apps, which are duo, games and keep notes in my case. Now if you would like to access these apps, because you can do it in the casual way, of course, you'll have to go into the phone's app, and while you are here, just type in the access code, and here are all of my hidden apps now I can access. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.